Yes, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. So how are your exams?
Good. Very good.
Very good. How was your computer exam? I asked you before, I think. Good.
Good.
Okay. Easy.
Yes.
Yes. So shall we continue with the lessons?
Yes.
Yes. All right. We were learning about
Computer. Stop.
we were learning about computers, that's right. But specifically, we were learning about
Desktop.
desktop. We were learning about the desktop. Do you remember what a desktop is?
Desktop is the main screen area when you turn on your computer.
Yes, it is the main screen area that you see when you turn on your computer. That is it. Turn on. What do you mean by turn on?
On the computer.
Does it mean switch on the computer?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It means to switch on the computer. Turn on means switch on. Okay. I hope that's clear for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Okay, so please open your rough books. We wrote a sentence on desktop, isn't it? What is a desktop? Desktop is the main screen area that you see after you turn on your computer. We wrote that, no? Yes, we wrote that already. Now today we are going to learn about the
Of the computer.
yes, today we are going to learn about the parts of the desktop. What is it? Parts of the desktop. Repeat after me. Parts of the desktop. Parts of the desktop. Do you know how many parts are there for the desktop?
Three.
Three. Is it three, Advait? Two. I didn't say it is wrong. I'm asking you, is it three? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Five.
Now 4 and 5 and all those comes. I'm asking about the main parts. How many main parts are there for the computer? Three. Yes, Advait, don't be confused. You're right. Three. It is three. There are three main parts for the or of the desktop. We're going to learn more about that today. Okay. Should we start writing?
Yes.
Yes. So open your rough books, or if you don't have that, you can take your notebook, take the back side of it, and write the heading. Parts of the what?
Miss, page number.
No need of page. Just write as I'm writing on the board. Okay. Yes.
Miss, right.
You have to write, dear. Parts of the desktop. What is the spelling of desktop? D-E-S-K-T-O-P. Correct. D-E-S-K-T-O-P. Desktop. Parts of the desktop.
Amma.
Please mute your audio, children. Parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Wait. Those who have completed, please wait. Ritika, did you complete, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, rough book or notebook?
Rough book. You can write in the rough book. Parts of the desktop. Parts of the desktop. Wilfred, what is the spelling of desktop?
D-E-S-K-T-O-P.
Very good. D-E-S-K-T-O-P. Desktop.
Advait can say.
Huh?
Advait can say.
Yes.
D-E-S-K-T-O-P.
Okay.
Desktop.
D-E-S-K-T-O-P. Desktop. Parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, Evelina can read.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am. DESKTOP.
Okay, Avina, that's right. Haya, yes. Haya, I need out.
Tirtha can read.
Just a
Ma'am,
minute.
can
Tirtha.
I write it?
You have to take your rough book and write. I think you joined late, no?
Yes.
Take your rough book and you can start writing parts of the desktop. Yes, Tirtha. Tell me, what is the spelling of desktop?
DESKTOP.
Okay, DESKTOP. That is the spelling of desktop. Have you all completed writing? Siddhi Vinayak? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Please write first parts of the desktop. DESKTOP. As you write, pronounce it and write DESKTOP. So you'll learn the spellings first. Parts of the desktop. Those who joined late, please open your rough books and write. Parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, Wilfred finish.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, can Joseph read?
Parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, Joseph said he can read. That's the desktop.
I cannot hear. I cannot hear you. Please be a bit louder.
That's the desktop. Joseph said he.
Joseph wants to read.
Yes.
Yes, read, Joseph.
Ma'am, we want to write
Yes, you have to write, Evelyn.
SKTOP.
Yes, DESKTOP. Shall we write the next sentence now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So in the next line, please write from the left side. You have to start. Okay. There are. Please start writing. There are. THERE.
Excuse me, this is 2E class.
No, 2A, dear. 2A. 2 is next star.
That's how much time.
140. There are. ARE. There are. There are. What is the spelling of 3, Jennifer?
Tree.
Correct. There are 3. There are 3. There are 3. MAIN. 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 Okay, main. There are 3 main. 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 There are 3 main.
Parts of the
Desktop. Parts of the desktop. There are 3 main. There are 3 main.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Sorry?
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Yes, I can wait. Take your time and write. Okay. Those who have completed can write along with me. Others, you can take your time and write. I'll wait. Don't worry. I won't close the board unless you complete. So there are 3 main. 3 main. What are we studying now? 3 main? So there are 3 main parts. PARTS. Right.
Parts of the desktop.
Yes. There are 3 main parts. 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 There are 3 main parts.
Of the
There are 3 main parts. Of the what?
Desktop.
Yes, no need to shout. Of the desktop.
Desktop.
Yes, DESKTOP. There are three main, and after that, put a full stop. Okay. There are three main parts of the desktop. 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 There are three main parts of the desktop.
No finish.
No problem. You can take your time and write. There are three main parts of the desktop. So how many parts are we going to study about today?
Icon.
No. I'm asking how many? How many?
Three.
We are going to learn about three main parts of the desktop.
Ma'am, Siddhivinayak finish.
Siddhivinayak completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Sir, now finish.
Arnav has completed. All right. So what you have to do is in the next line, please write they are. THEY. They are. ARE. And put two dots and a small hyphen. Put two dots and a small hyphen. They are. They are. They are.
Finish means
Finish, miss. What is that? How should you say it now? I've completed my work. I have.
I completed my work.
My work.
Completed. Ma'am, really complete.
Okay, very good. Very
Completed.
Okay, good. Yes, I'm seeing that Arnav. I can see that.
Yes.
All right.
Work have completed.
Advait has completed my work. You can say I have completed. No need to repeat your name. Okay. You can say I have completed my work.
I have completed my work.
Yes, Mitra. All right. Now, before writing about the three main parts, we can see that and come back. Shall we do that?
Yes.
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 Wait a minute, please. Santom is telling something. Yes, Santom?
Ma'am, we can write.
You have to write. Please take your rough books and write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. I'll show you the board. Before that, please listen. We'll see the main parts and then I'll share the board once more for writing. Okay. Yes. So please stop writing now and look at the board. I'm going to show you the different parts of the desktop. After that, we'll write about it. Is that understood? Did you understand? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. All right. So everybody listen here. Look here. After this, please don't tell me that you didn't see. Please look here and sit. Look at the screen, everyone. Yes, Santom, are you listening? Yes, okay. So we are going to see the different parts of the desktop. Correct. We are going to see the parts of the desktop. Okay, so this screen is called the desktop. Yes, this screen is called the desktop. Yes, that we all know, isn't it? Yes. Now, there are three main parts of the desktop. That also we know now. Advait, you were telling about a part. What was it? What was the name?
Icons.
Wait. Icons. Icons are basically the small pictures that you can see on the desktop. Okay, so tell me if you can identify this icon. Have you seen this icon?
Zoom. It is the zoom icon.
Zoom icon. Yes. If we delete something, it goes into the recycle bin. That is another icon present on the desktop. Okay. And for different files, different folders, we have different icons. So what are icons? They are basically small pictures that you can see on the desktop. Where can you see? On the
Desktop.
Yes, not only on the desktop, inside the computer, when we look into the drives and all, we can see the icons. So basically on the desktop, if we can see small pictures like these for folders, for files and all, we can see small pictures, isn't it? They are called icons. What are they called?
Icons.
Called?
Icons.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. About icons, don't worry, I just wanted to show you. Okay, now look at the screen. I'm going to draw a yellow line. Okay, look carefully and tell me if you can see the yellow line. Will you do that?
Yes.
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 So I'm drawing a yellow line here. Can you see it?
Taskbar.
Can you see this yellow line here?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes. Now you can see. So,
Taskbar.
can you see an area, a long bar below that yellow line?
Yes.
Yes. That one is called the task. What is it called?
Taskbar. Taskbar.
Task bar. That is called the task bar. Task bar. Can you repeat after me? Task bar. Task bar. Please don't say task bar. That's wrong. Task bar. Okay, that is very wrong. It's task bar. Bar. Once more. Task bar. It's not ta. It's t. Task bar. Yes. So the long horizontal bar that you can see at the bottom of the screen or at the bottom of the desktop, that is called the, what is it called? What bar is it? Task bar. Yes. Task bar. That is the task bar. Okay. Now, just a minute, children. How many parts did we learn now? First one was? I. Okay. Second one? We saw now. Task bar. Okay, now the third one. We have the third one pending. Now. Very good. It's called the wallpaper. Yes, the third one is the wallpaper. Now, can you see the blank space where icons are not present on the desktop? Yes, this area, icons are not present. Here, icons are not present. Here, icons are not present. Here, icons are not present. Here also, icons are not present. Which color is the wallpaper of this desktop? Blue. Listen, look carefully. Look at the wallpaper carefully. Is it just a plain color or does it has a design or picture? Isn't it? Windows logo. That's very right. Yes, that is a Windows logo. It has a window in the background. Can you see that? See? This thing is a Windows. Can you see that? Looks like a window, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, can we change this wallpaper? Will it be able, be able to?
Yes. Change the wallpaper.
We can, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So, which are the three main parts of the desktop? Tell me.
Icons, taskbar, and desktop.
Yes, icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Now, in mobile phones, do we have wallpapers?
Yes.
Yes. You see the wallpaper in the home screen, isn't it?
Yes.
When you close all the applications in your mobile phone, we can see a home page or a home screen. That is like a desktop.
Icon.
Yes. Yes, that is like a desktop. When you switch on the mobile phone, you can see a screen, the first screen, isn't it?
Yes.
It is called the home
Yes.
screen. Just like that in a computer, when we turn it on, we can see a screen. What is it called? The main screen area?
Ma'am.
Desktop. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Somebody is calling me. Haya, yes.
Ma'am.
No, it's not Haya. Arav?
My charge is mummy.
Okay, put it on charge. No problem. Haya, yes.
Ma'am, my mummy's wallpaper is home.
Window. Is it Windows?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now, have you understood the three main parts? We'll learn more about it in the next class. Don't worry. But have you got a small idea of it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we can write the names of three main parts. Yes, dear?
Ma'am,
Tell me. Tell me.
icons of the phone is apps.
Icons of the phone is not only apps. There are different things also. In here, when I showed you on the board, you saw the icon of Zoom app, isn't it? Yes? That was also one app. Also, we have icons for folders and files also. Okay, Krishna. Icons are present for applications, that is apps, for files, for folders, and so many other things. Got it? So in mobile phones also, you can have icons of applications for your games and so on. Clear?
Yes.
So we are going to write the names of the parts of the desktop, the main parts. Okay? So please not complete. Hey, Arav. Okay. We have those who have not completed writing, please write it now itself.
Ma'am, I write 3 parts of the computer.
You wrote already. Okay. So first one, put one and write wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. WALLPAPER. Wallpaper. Siddhi Vinayak, please write, my dear.
Ma'am, my charge is low. I can leave.
Yes, yes. Charge it and come back, please. Wallpaper.
Ma'am, I already wrote it.
I already wrote, not write it. It's wrong. Wrote.
I already wrote it. Ma'am, I already.
Wallpaper. Second one is taskbar. TASKBAR. You have to learn the names and come for the next class. Okay. I'll be asking. Taskbar. 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 Then after that, which is the third main part?
Ma'am, icon spelling.
Icons. Yes, tell me the spelling. ICONS. Icons. If there is only one, we call it icon. If there are two or more, we call them. If there are two or more, we call them icons. S should be added at the end. Okay. Those who have joined late, please copy down from the heading itself. Parts of the desktop. There are three main parts of the desktop. They are wallpaper, taskbar, icon.
Main parts of the desktop. They are wallpaper, taskbar, icon.
Wallpaper, taskbar, and icons. Good.
Ma'am, my work has completed.
My work has been completed.
Ma'am, Alvin have completed.
Has completed.
Haya has completed.
Haya has completed.
Muhammad Ali has completed.
Okay, enough. All right, I'm going to take the attendance. Those who have not completed, please continue writing. Others, please listen. When your name is called, you can unmute and speak. Otherwise, you have to keep your audios muted. Correct. Okay, 2A. Arav C. Anup. Arav was here, yes. Adit Krishna. Advait PS.
Ma'am, Arjun Krishna is present.
Arjun's name is not called yet. Please remain silent. Advait PS. Present or not? Absent. Advait Manoj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Albrin Bunny.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anaiv TP. Anaiv present. Where is Anaiv? I called Anaiv, not Arnav. Okay. Sippy.
Present, ma'am.
Anurag.
Present.
Anurag. Anurag is absent. Present. Anushka.
Present means
Anushka absent. Arnav. Yes. Arjun Krishna.
present, ma'am.
Yes.
Present,
Yes. Azaria.
present means
When did this miss come from? Bennett Joe. Present. Yes. Bhagyashri. Present. Chaitanya.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Yes. Then Krishna. Krishna. Yes, dear. Christy Joby. Present. Dhyan KS. Dhyan is present. Yes. Evelyn Maria. Present. Evina Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Haya Rashid Ali.
Present, ma'am.
Heza Nooran. Heza is absent. Yes.
Ma'am, Evelyn is present.
Jennifer Juno.
Present, ma'am.
Joseph Sebi.
Present, ma'am.
Karthik PR. Karthik.
Present.
Karthik is not there. Absent. Okay. Kashyap. Absent. Madhav.
Present, ma'am.
Meenakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Mitra.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Muhammad Ali.
Present.
Then Nihal.
Present, ma'am.
Nived. Nived is absent. Okay. Then Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Ritika.
Present, ma'am.
San Tom.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Siddhi Vinayak.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Shiva Madhav. Absent. Stefano. Stefano. Tirtha.
Present, ma'am.
Tom said
Present, ma'am.
okay. Wilfred.
Present, ma'am.
Wilfred is also present. Okay. So have you completed writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So what did we learn today?
The three main parts of the computer.
Of the computer.
The desktop.
Of the desktop. Yes. You know the names of the three main parts, right?
Yes. Wallpaper.
Yes. Wallpaper, icons, and taskbar. It's not taskbar, it's taskbar. Okay. We'll meet. Fine. We'll meet in the next week and study more about these three parts. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.